People, welcome back to YaadAndAbroadTV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. Yo, people, big up yourself and thank you once again for tuning in. So it's a popular female Canadian promoter stabbed to death in St. Ann, people. Yes, people, I want to come out as St. Ann, people, where, as I said, a female promoter, I guess, was visiting the island and she was stabbed. Getting this one from The Loop, people. Check out The Loop article. They have some good articles, doesn't it? So it said a popular female Canadian events promoter was found with stab wounds inside her room at an apartment complex in Runaway Bay, St. Ann last week. Relatives in Canada suspect that her killer may have been a man she was dating in Jamaica at the time she went to conduct business on the island. The deceased, 43-year-old Latoya Alcindor of Markham in Ontario, Canada, was found with stab wounds to the upper body at an apartment complex she reportedly rented in Runaway Bay on Thursday, January 21st. The incident is being probed by the St. Ann police, but little information has been forthcoming so far. Efforts to contact the St. Ann police for an update on the case on the weekend were unsuccessful. However, the killing of Alcindor, who was described as a popular figure in the Caribbean community in Toronto, has been making the rounds throughout Canada. According to Canadian media outlet CP24, one of her cousins, Tashia Antoine, revealed that Alcindor traveled to Jamaica on December 27, 2020 to pursue some business opportunities and met a friend who she was seeing. The male friend was last seen with Alcindor on Monday, January 18, according to Antoine. This led to her expressing the belief that the man may have had something to do with her cousin's killing. We are hoping with the media attention on this case that it will help in finding the person so we can get some answers to her tragic death. Alcindor, according to her cousin, was a mother of 2 children and was a promoter who invested heavily in making costumes for the Toronto Carnival, formerly called Caribana. Meanwhile, another relative of Alcindor posted a heartfelt tribute to her on social media site Facebook. It goes on to say, "I still wish this was just a dream. You didn't deserve to go like that. You didn't deserve that. You were perfect, but you were such a beautiful person. Family oriented, the life of the party. I am heartbroken. I kept calling your phone hoping you will pick up, but I need to face the reality. You are gone. I love you and will miss you so much," the post stated. It added, "You always would say I love you before you would hang up the phone every single time. I miss your video call when you called me for Christmas. I wish I had picked it up or call back because little did I know that would have been the last time I would hear and see you. You were searching for love in all the wrong places. I just wish you didn't have to go like this. Rest in peace, cuz." So people, here we have an entrepreneur, somebody who does a lot of event planning and promotions, and she is well known in the Caribbean market in Toronto, people. And this young lady, according to the article, went to Jamaica on business trip, but she was talking to a gentleman, because everybody knows sometime you're online, you meet somebody, the person come off as this very genuine person. You fall for them, but deep down you don't know what that person or who that person truly is. So this is one of those cases, people, that this young woman probably was falling for him and don't know what kind of termite he is. Cause if the lady got killed by now, and if this so-called lover or boyfriend or somebody who she was speaking to was really for her or about her, he would have been to the police station long time. Cause if me have a woman may come from foreign and she's still there at Jamaica, I mean know she there at Jamaica, and me can't hear from him and me can't see him, of course me I go report it and go to police station or go to the place that she's been renting to report what happened. And it doesn't look like anyone or nobody have heard from this guy, people. So as the cousin said, him is the main suspect right now, people. Him is the main suspect. And as me say, people, sometimes you go online and search for love and you search for it in the wrong place, as the cousin said. I know people, and no man lose their life. You have 2 kids that are without a mother right now, people. And this is just one of them case of all them articles that I saw with returning residents being killed. She's a returning resident. She's not living, but she's returning, she's visiting, and look at what happened. Look at what happened, people. That's why people, man, like, you have to know and truly know what you do when you say you got Jamaica to conduct business, and especially with people you don't really know for a long period of time. You see me? But then again, to sometime your own family them will set people up for you, So it's very, very, very tricky out there, people. It's very, very tricky. You are trying to do something and it turn on and bite you, and it turn on and being what you never expected. And this mother has now passed away, like Jano, people. It's rough, I'm not gonna lie, people. But Jano, people, if you don't know or have more information on this, just leave it in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think or what is the outcome of this. Let me know, people. If me get more updates, I will definitely share it with you guys. Alright? Much love and appreciation. So yo, people, this is an update to the story that I just read and talked about earlier, people. This is an update. This happened today, people. Happened today. And I'm getting this from a Canadian article where it says a male has been arrested in Jamaica in connection with death of Markham woman. Canadian Latoya Alcindor was found dead in a guest house earlier this month. The Jamaica Constabulary Force is confirming that a male has been arrested in the connection with the death of Markham woman. Latoya Alcindor, 43, was found dead in a guest house earlier this month in a Runaway Bay, about 100 kilometers northwest of Kingston. Constable Janelle Radcliffe with the Jamaica Constabulary Force told CBS Toronto that a male suspect was arrested on Wednesday, but also said that no charges have been laid at this time. Radcliffe says he was arrested in Trelawney Parish, the area that adjoins St. Anne Parish where Runaway Bay is located. Jamaica police told CBS Toronto earlier this week that Alcindor's body was found with stab wounds and evidence of other trauma. They believe she died sometime between January 18 and January 21st. So yeah, people, they are saying they have somebody in custody at the moment, people. Remember in the previous article that I read, they were saying somebody that she was talking to, it could possible be this person, but right now we don't know if it's the actual person that they said it was. But I'm glad that somebody has been caught so far, people. And once I definitely get more information on this, I will let you guys know. Cause me know say I probably know him. I know him more than people. Him probably have an accomplice or somebody who him probably was working with, but police happened to get him first. You see me, people? But as I said before, condolences goes out to this young lady's family, people. Jano, sorry she had to lose her life like this. Going down to Jamaica for business, and Jano, this is the end result.